Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install Scratch 2.0 on your system successfully. For that you have to first open Google Chrome or any other web browser you are using, and I'm going to type here google.com, and there I'm going to search for it. The name of the software that we are going to download is Scratch 2.0. And there are two websites basically. One is two are basically the same websites, but the offline editor, I picked this one. Download the Scratch 2.0 offline editor, and the website is scratch.mit.edu. I'm going to click on this one. All right, so scroll it down, and here are three options. You need to pick the second one because the first one is for Adobe Air. If you are interested to download Adobe Air in your systems, you can download it. And sometimes if Adobe Air is not installed on your system, it asks you to download Adobe Air first before downloading Scratch. All right, if you have not downloaded, you are going to download this one first, and after that you are going to download Scratch. But it is already in my system, so there is no need to install it again. So I'm going to go in the second step, and they make for two types of systems. One is for Mac and one is for Windows. If you are using Apple laptop or computer, you are going to download this one. If you are using Windows, because my system is HP, so this is a Windows system, so I'm going to download it for this one. Click on download, and here you can see that our download has been started, and it is going to take a couple of minutes. We have to wait here. I'm going to stop the recording. Once it is downloaded, then I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, now you can see that only couple of seconds are left. Okay, our download has been completed, and now I'm going to click on this up arrow and see in the folder where it has been downloaded, showing the folder, and automatically it is going in the downloads. All right, so this is the downloaded one. Now the next step is to install it on your system. You are going to double click on it, on this one. And sometimes on some computers it takes some time. You have to wait, have patience, and automatically it is going to be started. We still have to wait. Now you can see that after I have waited here for 1 minute, all right, and after that this screen will appear. Now you are going to click on continue. Yes, and now it is installing my application, and here another 1-2 minutes I think it's gonna take. Let me pause the video, otherwise the recording, sorry, otherwise the video is going to be lengthy. All right, once it has finished the installation, then this screen automatically appears in front of you. It means that you have downloaded and installed Scratch in your system. All right, these are the very easy steps. Follow these steps, and the important step is, some students, what you do, you don't wait here and you download it again. You have to, once it is downloaded on your system, you have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Sometimes it takes more time. You have to wait, and automatically it is going to be installed on your system. All right, so now if we go back to our desktop and see where it is, the icon of Scratch 2.0. Okay, let me search it. Scratch. This is the Scratch, and I'm going to open it. Yes, this is the Scratch has been installed. All right, and this is the icon on my don't save, and this is the icon of Scratch 2.0. I hope that every step is very clear to you, and still if you face any difficulty, you are going to drop me the comment in the comment section down below. And take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.